Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, we are going to see the complete and clear explanation of admission of a partner from unit number 1 of Advanced Accounting subject, which is for degree 3rd semester students. If you are having zero knowledge, if you don't know anything about admission of a partner, also by watching this video till end, you will be perfect with admission of a partner. Just you need to practice 2 to 3 more questions on this topic. Okay, whatever the question they might ask you in the examination from admission of a partner, easily you can attempt it and easily you can score O grade. So watch the video till end, and if you are new to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too. Before going into the question or solution, first let us talk about unit number 1 from Advanced Accounting. So unit number 1 yours is partnership accounts 1 ma. Unit number 2 is partnership accounts 2. About unit number 2 we will be discussing in our later videos, in next videos, but now we are focusing on unit number 1. In unit number 1 we have admission, retirement, death. Okay, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner. These are the 3 topics which are in unit number 1. If you are perfect with any of the 2 topics, then that is more than enough. Okay, so I suggest you to leave death and just focus on admission and retirement. Definitely one pakka question you will see in your question paper on admission or retirement. Okay, so we are only focusing on admission and retirement from unit number 1. Already I have made a complete video of complete advanced accounting subject overview ma, in which I have clearly explained you that from each unit what are the different topics, and in that different topics what are the important ones and what are the unimportant, or what are the topics which you can leave in choice. Each and everything about the complete subject I have explained you, explaining top methods from advanced accounting. If you didn't watch that video, go to our channel playlist. In playlist section you will be finding advanced accounting semester 3, under which you will be finding all the videos related to advanced accounting, in which you will also find complete overview of advanced accounting subject. Watch that video, it will be really very helpful for you. Okay, so students, this video is unit number 1 video number 1. Okay, unit 1 video number 1, in which we are focusing on admission of a partner. In next video, upcoming video, it will be unit number 1 video number 2. Okay, this is video number 1, admission of a partner. In video number 2 we are going to focus on retirement of a partner. By watching both of these videos, video number 1, the video which you are watching now, and video number 2, the next video, you will be perfect with unit number 1. Okay, definitely 12 marks you will be scoring from your 9th question of part B. You will score 16 marks actually, because 4 marks for short questions, but I am focusing on only long. That is why I said you 12, but actually you will be scoring 16 marks, because new profit sharing ratio problem will also be there in short questions. So total 16 marks you will be scoring. So definitely watch this video, video number 1, and watch next video, video number 2 on retirement. Okay, so today in this video we are focusing on admission of a partner. So let us begin. Where is the scale? Yeah, so I have already written the question here ma. So let us go with the question. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, this is really very important. 3:2. A and B are partners, it seems. See, and also let us discuss what is admission. I think you people know, or some of you might not know. Okay, admission is nothing but, is mobile shaking because I'm writing? Okay, so admission is nothing but when some partners are carrying out a business because of some or the other help or some or the other reasons. If they want any other person to help them or join them, that is known as admission. In simple words, let me say you example: A and B are partners, okay, and they are carrying out a business. So they need some or the other help. It can be technical help, it can be financial help, it can be any sort of help. If they want the help, they will join the hand with some other person. A person joining the business is known as admission. Okay, A person joining the business is known as admission. If a person is going out of the business, then that is retirement. Okay, existing business is already existing, but in that business they are admitting or they are joining one new partner, that is known as admission. So here also A and B are existing partners, okay, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. 3:2 means how much, ma? 3:2 means you need to add 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5 will be in the denominator. This 3 is for A, this 2 is for B. Okay, so 3, A and B, 3 by 5 denominator. For B it is 2 by 5. So this is the profit sharing ratio of A and B. So the balance sheet on 31st of March 2017 was this. We will come to the balance sheet later. First let us go with the next part of the question. You can see on the screen, C admitted as a new partner introducing capital of rupees 16,000. You can see that here clearly they said C admitted. If you see admitted, joined, or came into the business, like that, if any word is saying you that there is admission of a partner, a partner or a person is coming into the business, then definitely you need to solve the admission of a partner only. When you see admitted, joined, came and all, that is nothing but admission of a partner. Okay, and he came with a capital of rupees 16,000, it seems. This is also important. Then the new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. We don't care about it. Okay, we don't know, or we don't have any use of this new profit sharing ratio. We will only focus on old one. Okay, so the following adjustments made. So these are the adjustments. So first let me say you, when you are solving a problem of admission of a partner, what accounts you need to make. When you are solving admission of a partner, you need to make revaluation account. First one is revaluation account. Okay, then you need to make capital account. Okay, capital account is also known as partners capital account. Okay, like C have come with the capital of 16,000, capitals of A, B are 19,000 and 14,000. So these amounts will go into the capital account. Okay, so partners capital account is also known as capital account, and capital account is also known as partners capital account. After capital account, we will be making cash or bank account. It is based on your question mark. It is totally depends on your question. In the question, if they are saying cash, you need to make cash account. If they are saying bank in the question, you need to make bank account. Okay, it will be same, similar, everything will be same. But here if it is cash, you need to make cash. If here it is bank, you need to make bank. Okay, after cash and bank account, you need to make balance sheet. I think you already are aware of the balance sheet. Very easy. My admission of a partner is very easy. Just you need to understand how to solve it, and just you need to practice 2 to 3 more questions on this. Okay, so the basic structure is, or the format is this, ma. First revaluation, then capital, then cash or bank, balance sheet. Okay, maximum this only you will make. If they ask you journal entries in the question, to prepare journal entries, then definitely you need to prepare journal entries. Here before the revaluation only you have to make journal entries. Okay, in few questions they will ask you journal entries as well, but rare. Okay, but also I suggest you to practice 2 to 3 questions on journal entries as well. Not 2 to 3, at least 2 questions you practice. Already in first semester and the second semester you people have practiced, and I have also explained you journal entries. So that is familiar topic only, that is not a new one. You just need to know how you need to enter the entries, that's all. Okay, journal entries. Okay, but normally revaluation, capital, cash, bank, balance sheet. After the cash and bank, if they say you goodwill in the question, here they have said only C admitted with the capital. If they see C admitted with the capital as well as the goodwill, then after cash and bank you need to prepare goodwill account also. Okay, if they ask you, if they say you goodwill in the question, you need to pick goodwill account also. Okay, So now first, as I said you, revaluation account. So in this revaluation account, what you will do, let me explain you clearly. When you make or when you prepare revaluation account, you just need to focus on the adjustments, not other than the adjustments. Only these adjustments will be taken into the revaluation account. No other entry or no other amount or no other part will be taken into the revaluation. Only the adjustments which you will see in the question, which you will see on the question paper, that adjustment should only be considered in the revaluation account. When we are talking about the revaluation, it means we are valuating the amounts of assets and liabilities. Before the admission of a partner, how much was the value of each asset and each liability? After admission of a partner, what is the amount of each asset and each liability, we are going to see. That is why the account name itself is revaluation, means revaluating assets as well as the liabilities. So revaluation will be done only on adjustments, no, because we will be coming to know only in the adjustments whether the amount got increased or whether the amount got decreased. So when you are preparing revaluation account, make sure this will be the debit side, this will be the credit side. You can see the format here. Here it is debit, here it is credit. So in debit side what you need to take, in credit side what you need to take, let me say you. Where were we? Yes. So in debit side, if assets means what? Physical what do you call, property or land, machinery, buildings, furniture, all this will come under assets, right? Tangible they are, and also they are physical in nature. So if assets amount is decreasing, then we should take it in debit side, and if liability amount is increasing, we should take it in debit side. If asset amount is decreasing and liability amount is increasing, we should take it in debit side, and the opposite of it will be in the credit side. Here amount, if it amount decreases of assets, we will take. Here assets amount should increase, then we will take in credit side. Here it is increasing, so here it should decrease. Getting my point? If you remember this, easily you can do revaluation account, no doubt. You just need to remember this, that if asset amount is decreasing, debit side; if liability amount is increasing, debit side. The opposite of it is in credit side. Okay, you have already come to know the complete basics of the admission of partner, how many accounts you need to do, what you need to do, and in revaluation what you need to enter, what you need to focus, each and everything you have come to know. Now let us move forward to the solution. Okay, as I said you, first we are going to make revaluation account. Okay, first we are going to make revaluation account. In revaluation account, what you need to focus, I said you need to focus on only the adjustment. So what is first adjustment? You can see adjustment is stock to be depreciated by 5%. Okay, stock, whether the stock is asset or liability, it is asset. So when asset amount is depreciating, depreciation means decreasing. When asset amount is decreasing, where we are taking, we are taking the asset amount is decreasing means in debit side, right? Here also stock asset amount is decreasing by 5%. When it is decreasing, we will take it in the debit side. How much it is decreasing, 5% it seems. So what is the amount of the stock here? You see it is 14,000. You need to do 5% on 14,000. How you will do? 14,000 into 5%. How much it is? It is 700. So every time whenever you are making a revaluation account, debit side will start with 2, credit side will start with by. Okay, is it clear? Right. So to stock account, or we can also write to stock directly. Okay, to stock, how much is the amount which is decreasing? 14,000. 14,000 के ऊपर 5% करे तो कितना आया अपन को? It came 700. So we are entering amount 700 here. 700. ठीक, चलो next. Provision for doubtful debts is to be 500. Okay, here already debtors are there. Here actually it is, I have not written the question completely. Provision will be 400. Okay, so here debtors is 8400 and on which provision is 400. It means the company gave 8400 to some other person or some other company, just assume. So in return the company who gave the amount should again get 8400. No, but he or she is getting only 8000, means 400 deducted. 400 is nothing but provision. अगर अपन किसी को पैसे दिए, माँ समझ जाओ अपने फ्रेंड को ही पैसे दिए, 1000 रुपये अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिए अपन, जस्ट एज्यूम करो, आप लोगों को समझ में आना बोल के एग्जाम्पल दे रही. इफ़ वी गेव 1000 टू आवर फ्रेंड जस्ट गेव अस 800 बैक. 1000 दिए तो अपन को फिर 1000 देना ना, 1000 नहीं दिए उन्होंने, 800 इज दिए, 200 उनका पास ही रख लिए, तो ये 200 क्या है, प्रोविजन है. In the same way here also debtors means a debtors is a asset and they gave 8400 it seems, but they only got 8000 in return, so 400. But here in adjustment they said it is 500. 400 ही कम आते शायद बोल के इन लोग समझे, लेकिन 400 कम नहीं आएगा थे, 500 कम आएगा थे. So 500 minus 400, how much it will be? It will be 100. Okay, 100 extra they didn't give, so you need to write to प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेब्ट्स भी लिख सकते हैं या तो खाली डाउटफुल डेब्ट्स भी लिख सकते हैं डायरेक्ट. ओके, हाउ मच इट इज 100. ओके, नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द एडजस्टमेंट? फर्नीचर इज टू बी डिप्रिसिएटेड at the rate of 10%. डिप्रिसिएशन फर्नीचर गॉट डिक्रीज्ड. जब एसेट की वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो रही है तो किधर ले रहे, डेबिट साइड, राइट? सो फर्नीचर गॉट डिप्रिसिएटेड एट द रेट ऑफ 10%. तो फर्नीचर का अमाउंट क्या है पहले तो वो देख लेना. इट इज़ 9000. ओके, 9000 इंटू 10%, हाउ मच इट इज़? इट इज़ 900. सो यू नीड टू राइट to furniture. How much is the amount? Sorry, to furniture it is 900. Next adjustment, building is valued at 19,000. बिल्डिंग का अमाउंट कितना है पहले वो देख लेना. बिल्डिंग 14,000 ही थी. Okay, it was only 14,000 but it is valued at 19,000 at present now. So the building is asset. Asset value got increased. When the asset value is getting increased, where we are taking? We are taking in the credit side. 19,000 minus 14,000 कितना हो रहा? 5,000 it is. So we are going to take by building. How much is the amount? It is 500. चलो पेन की गड़बड़ हो गई यहाँ पे, ब्लैक यूज़ करने का रेड यूज़ कर ली. इट्स ओके, नो वरीज. सो नाउ वी नीड टू ऐड ऑल दीज. ओके, नाउ यू सी ऐड ऑल दीज. 700 प्लस 100 प्लस 900 कितना हो रहा? 1700 हो रहा. 1700 बड़ा है या 5000 बड़ा है? विच इज़ बिगर? The bigger number should be taken both the sides. Okay, 5000 is big or 1700 is big? Definitely 5000. So we are going to take 5000 both the sides. Okay, 5000 both the sides we should take. Now from these 5000 you need to minus 1700. 5000 minus 1700, how much it is? 3300. So this is the profit. Okay, in revaluation account, if debit side is lesser then it is profit. If credit side is lesser it is loss. Okay, here debit side is less, no, that is why it is profit. Here if credit side is less we will be taking or we will be considering it as loss. Okay, right. So what we need to do now? We need to distribute this profit among the partners. Okay, the partners are A and B, right? So we need to distribute this 3300 to these partners in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 means already we have seen the ratio. No, for A it is 3/5, for B it is 2/5. So what we are going to do now? We are going to distribute this amount to both the partners. To profit, or we can also say revaluation profit, your wish, whatever you want to say. So A, how much is ma? First we need to take 3300 into, for A how much it is, profit sharing ratio is 3/5 into 3/5. For B 3300 into 2/5, because for B it is 2/5, right? So now do the calculation. 3300 into 3 divided by 5, it is 1980. 1980 to whom ma? 1980 is to A. Okay, again 3300 into 2 divided by 5, it is 1320. 1320 to B. Okay, this is the profit, and this profit is divided, or it is distributed among the partners A and B. We are not going to take the new partners. See here, only the old partners we are going to take here. So when you are doing the solution in your examination also, don't take new partner here. Only the old partners should be taken, and the amount should be distributed among only the old partners. Now partners capital amount or account is nothing but whatever the amount is there for all the partners, we need to take here in the partners capital account. First what we are going to do, we are going to take the balance of A and B. Okay, so to balance brought down, for A how much it is? For A it is 19,000, for B it is 14,000. So we are going to take the same. It is 19,000. For B it is 14,000. For C it is nothing. Okay, old partners only. Again here C admitted as a partner with amount of 16,000. So we will be taking it in next entry. Here credit side by ma, don't do this mistake. I just noticed now. Don't do this mistake. It is by. Here it will be 2, as I said you already. Okay, so by cash account, how much C got? C got 16,000. Now what we need to take? We need to take the revaluation profit as well. Revaluation, in the revaluation also the amount got distributed to both the partners, right? So we are going to take by revaluation account. How much it is? For A it is 1980, for B it is 1320, for C how much it is? We have not distributed any profit here, so that is why for C nothing. Now you add all these. Add 19,000 plus 1980, 2980 it is. How much it is? 2980. Next 14 plus 1320. How much it is? 15,320. And for C it is only 16,000. You need to take the same amount to both the sides. 2980, 15,320, and it is 16. 3 zeros. And we can't leave this side just like that ma. Whatever the amount we have taken here, we need to take the same amount. kabhi bhi aisa khali nahi chhodna. Okay, that doesn't make any sense and that will not be acceptable. So whatever the amount you have taken here, that only you enter here. To balance carry down, how much it is? 2980, 15,320, 16,000. Okay, we are done with revaluation as well as we are done with partners capital account. I hope till now you got understood whatever we have done. Now we are going to do revaluation completed, capital completed. Now we are going to do cash or bank. So what is there in the question? In question it is cash. So definitely we will be making cash account. Okay, in cash account, I have not written the headings here, it seems. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to take how much amount they have what do you call, shown in the balance sheet, or how much amount they have given in the question. For cash, how much they gave? They gave 1000. So we are going to take to balance carry down. How much is the amount? Amount is 1000, right? It is 1000. Now again the new capital brought some amount, right? New capital brought some amount. How much it is? It is 16,000. So we are going to take to C's capital account. How much it is? It is 16,000. This much only we will be taking in the cash account. Okay, the partner which bought the amount, how much he got, and the amount which is mentioned in the question, only this 16 plus 1000 equals to 17,000. You need to take this both the sides, and as he said you should not leave it like that. So we are going to enter the same amount here by balance brought down. How much it is? It is 17,000, right? Done with the cash account. Now we are going to do the balance sheet, and in this balance sheet, here in the question, whatever they gave you, same you have to take in the balance sheet also, but only the numbers will differ, because we are doing some adjustments, we are doing some calculations based on the question in this amounts, right? So only the numbers will change, but whatever the format they gave, you can directly take it just like that. So first one is creditors and then outstanding charges. On both of these we have not done any calculation, so as it is you take creditors and outstanding charges. Okay, 2850 3000. Creditors, outstanding charges. Okay, just I have written. So it is 2850 00. Then outstanding charges is 3000, right? Now next what we are having, we are having capitals, but here in the question they only mentioned A and B, but we are going to take A, B and C, because C also got admitted, right? So we are going to take capitals A, B and C. For A, how much is the amount? Here in the partner's capital, whatever we have taken, for A how much it is, for B how much it is, for C how much it is, this amount only we are going to take in this balance sheet capital. Getting my point? So for A how much it is? It is 2980. For B how much it is? For B it is 15320. For C it is 16,000, right? We need to add 3 of these. Add 3 of these. 2980 plus 15320 plus 16,000. It is 52300. Okay, how much it is? 52300. Done. Now add all these amounts. Anything other than these, anything other is there here in the liability? No. Creditors we took, outstanding charges we took, capitals also we took. Now nothing is there, so you can add all these amounts. 52300 plus 3000 plus 28500 equals to 83800. Let me use red pen only. 83800. अभी ये जो अमाउंट है वो भी इधर वैसे ही आ गया, तो we have done everything correct. If there is the amount difference here, we have done the calculation wrong. Okay, so now let us go with the asset side. In the asset side, first what it is? It is cash. Okay, we need to take as it is. As I said you, same you take, only amounts will different. In cash account they gave us 1000, but already we have done the cash account here. How much is the amount in the cash account here? You see it is 17,000. So we are going to take 17,000. कुछ नहीं, जो भी अपन करे accounts previously उसके amounts लेना है उतना ही. Then we are having stock. Stock it is 14,000, but there is an adjustment, right? We have depreciated 700 from stock. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to minus 14,000 minus 700 कितना आ रहा देखो 13,300. So we are going to take 13,300. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टॉक अमाउंट 14,000 है, सही है 14,000, लेकिन अपन डिप्रिसिएशन करें ना, कितना डिप्रिशिएट करें अपन 5% अपन उसका निकाल दिए, तो 14,000 में से जब अपन 5% करें तो 700 निकाल रहे, तो अपना अमाउंट आ रहा 13,300. नेक्स्ट इट इज़ प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस पे कोई भी अपन एडजस्टमेंट या कोई भी कैलकुलेशन नहीं करे, सो एज इट इज़ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. How much it is prepaid insurance? It is 500. So take 500 as it is. Then it is debtors. On debtors provision has been given, right? So we are going to take the debtors now. For debtors it is 8,400 minus 500, क्योंकि इतना अमाउंट दिए सामने वाले को लेकिन 500 कम है उसमें से, तो माइनस वी नीड टू डू, राइट? 8,400 minus 500. Do the calculation. 8,400 minus 500 equals to how much it is? It is 7,900. Right? Then next we are having, you also mention here provision. Okay, provision you mentioned. Next it is building. On building, have we done any adjustment? On building it is 1,400. Yes, but now here it is valued to 19,000. Building was for 14,000 but it valued for 19,000. So we are not going to add or subtract any amount. We are going to take the amount as it is, 19,000. Right? Then we are having machinery. On machinery, did we do any calculation or adjustment? No. So machinery amount as it is, we are going to take machinery. How much it is? Machinery, it is 18,000. Okay, next it is furniture. On furniture, did we do any calculation? Yes, furniture depreciated at the rate of 10%. So on furniture, 9,000. Depreciation, how much it was? It was 900. So 9,000 minus 900. Furniture, 9,000. 9,000 only, no? Yes, 9,000 minus 900. How much it will be? 9,000 minus 900, it is 8,100. We are going to take 8,100. Okay, done. So now add all these amounts. 1,700 plus 13,300 plus 500 plus 19, 18, 8,100. Wait, we have done some mistake. 17, 13,300, 500, 7,900, 19, 18, 8,100. Yes, done. By while we were entering, I think we have taken some other number instead of the particular numbers. So we got 83. What it is? 800. 83,800. Did we get the same both the sides? Yes, both the sides got tallied. So our answer is perfectly correct. So this question was given in your textbook as well as the first question from your workbook, my admission of a partner. In admission of a partner, this is the basic and the most important one. So that is why I have explained you in the next video. As I have already said you, we are going to discuss retirement of a partner by watching this video. And also I suggest you to practice 2 to 3 more questions on admission of a partner. Definitely you practice, then only you will be perfect. But you got to know what are the basics and how you need to solve the problem, how you need to do the problem, each and everything, right? So this is more than enough. And for all the subjects and languages, important question and answers notes which are easy, simple and clear to understand, you DM me on my Instagram, Learn with Sahira. Drop me a message, want notes along with your group name and semester. I will be giving you all the notes. but note payment is must. There is a little payment, but definitely you will be seeing big results. Okay, if you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And also please watch the next video, retirement of a partner, to be perfect with unit number 1. You are 50% perfect with unit number 1 now by admission of a partner. Okay, so chalo, let us meet in the next video. All the very best. Bye bye.